Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya Sharma. Welcome back to the session of Bridge course on basic mathematics. So in the last session, we had discussed about substitution method to solve system of linear equations. In today's session, we are going to discuss elimination method to solve the system of linear equations. Let me share my screen, just give me a minute. Yes, so elimination method. So substitution method sometimes becomes lengthier. So elimination method takes lesser time as compared to substitution method. So first of all, let us have a look at what you will be getting at the end of the session. So you will be able to understand the concept of system of linear equations and elimination method. Now let us start our discussion with what is elimination method. So like we did yesterday, substitution method. Now in same way, I'm writing two equations. So let us say I have a1x plus b1y equals to c1 and a2x plus b2y equals to c2. So these are the general linear equations I have taken. Now what you have to do is, as the name suggests, elimination. What we are going to do is we are going to eliminate one of the variables and get the value of the other variable. So how to eliminate x from both these equations? If I can equate the coefficients of x in both the equation and then according to the sign I can add or subtract them, then x will be eliminated. So I will have one equation in terms of y and I'll get the value of y, right? Similarly, if I have to eliminate y, then I can equate the coefficients of y in both the equation, check the sign, where if they are equal, if the sign is same, then we used to subtract the equations, and if the signs are opposite, then we used to add the equation. We are going to discuss in detail with a numerical. So let us start the question. So here is the question: solve the system of equations. Two equations are given to you. So 2x plus 7y equals to 10 and 3x plus y equals to 6. So let me write the equations here. 2x plus 7y equals to 10 and 3x plus y equals to 6. So let us say this is my first equation and this is my second equation. Now, in elimination method, what you have to do is either I can equate the coefficients of x or I can equate the coefficients of y. That is my wish. Let us first equate the coefficients of x. So if I want to equate these coefficients, how can we do that? Because these are not the multiples of each other. So what we can do is I can multiply first equation by the coefficient of x of second equation. So I can multiply the first equation with 3 and I can multiply the second equation by this coefficient, that is by 2. So multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Whenever we are multiplying any equation, just take care that we have to multiply the whole equation, not just one term. So if I multiply equation 1 by 3, this will become 6x plus 7 into 3 is 21y equals to 30. Then I multiply equation 2 by 2. So here also I get 6x. This will be 2y equals to 12. Now I have equated the coefficients of x. Now the signs are also same. Our purpose is to eliminate x. Now if the signs are same, we used to subtract both the equation, because when we perform this subtraction, what happen is, whichever you have written the second equation, the signs will get changed. So here, if it is positive, it will become negative. Here also it was positive, it will become negative, and here also. So 6 minus 6x. Now this will be cancelled. 21 minus 2 is 19y. 30 minus 12 will give you 18. So I got the value of y, 18 over 19. So I have eliminated x and got the value of y. Now you have two methods. Either you can now eliminate y and get the value of x, or you have already got one value, one variable value you've got. So you can substitute that value in any of the equation and get the value of the second variable. So whichever method is convenient. Let us equate the coefficients of y and get x. So now in both the equation, you can check 1 is 7 and in the other equation, the coefficient is 1. So you need not to multiply both the equations now. So you can just multiply equation 2 by 7 and both the coefficients will become 7. So let us do that. So let us multiply equation 2 by 7. So the first equation will remain as it is. So it was 2x plus 7y equals to 10. Now I have multiplied second equation by 7. So I will get 7 into 3, that is 21x, plus 7 into y, that is 7y, equals to 6 into 7, that is 42. So please take care that the whole equation will get multiplied by that number. Now again, the coefficients are equal, the signs are also same. So we need to subtract both the equation. So subtracting them, 7y minus 7y. So this is eliminated. Now 2 minus 21 will give me minus 19x and this will give me minus 32. So I will have here x equals to 32 over 19. So either you can proceed by this method, or if you have obtained one variable's value, then you can substitute that value in any of the equation and get the value of the other variable. So this was elimination method. Let us discuss one more question. So the next question here on the screen is 2x plus 3y equals to 6 and minus 2x plus 5y equals to 10. Now, this is my first equation and this is my second equation. Now you can check. Here it is 2x, here also it is 2x. That means the coefficients are already same. So we need not to multiply any of the equations. The coefficients are already same. So let us write these equation. 2x plus 3y equals to 6 and this is minus 2x plus 5y equals to 10. The coefficients are same and the signs are opposite. So if I add both the equation, this 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Whenever you are adding both the equation, signs will not get changed. They will remain as it is. So 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. 3 plus 5 will give you 8y and this is equals to 16. So y equals to 2. Now you have obtained the value of one variable. It is up to you whether you want to substitute that value in any of the equation and get the value of the other variable, or you want to equate the coefficient of y and then eliminate y and get the value of x. So let us now do it by substitution. In the last question, we had equated the coefficients. So I got y equals to 2. So this was my first equation and this was my second equation. So I'm putting the value of y in first equation. So first equation implies 2x plus 3 into 2 equals to 6. In place of y, I have written 2. So I get 2x plus 6 equals to 6. So 2x equals to 6 minus 6 will be 0 and hence x equals to 0. 0 over 2 is 0, so x is 0. So I got the value x is 0 and y equals to 2. Let us do one more question quickly. Solve 3x plus 2y equals to 8 and 5x plus 3y equals to 10. So let us do it now. So again, I have two equations. So this is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. And we can see that I need to multiply both the equations in order to equate the coefficients because they are not multiples and neither of the coefficient is same. So let us multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. I'm equating the coefficients of x. So if I multiply equation 1 by 5, I will get 15x plus 5 into 2 is 10. Y equals to 8 into 5, I got 40. Then I am multiplying second equation by 3. So 3 into 5 will give you 15. 3 into 3 is 9. Y equals to 30. Because the signs are same, I need to subtract these equations. And whenever we perform subtraction, the signs of the second equation gets changed. So now signs have changed. So this get cancelled. 10 minus 9y is y and 40 minus 30 is 10. I got one value, y equal to 10. Now again, if you want to substitute it, so first equation implies 3x plus 2 into 10 equals to 8. That will give you 3x plus 20 equals to 8. That will give you 3x is 8 minus 20. That is minus 12. And that gives you x equals to minus 4. So this was all about elimination method. So elimination method is easier as compared to substitution method and it takes lesser time. So you should prefer elimination method over substitution method. Rest it's up to you. So in this session, you have learned about system of linear equations and elimination method. So now we have discussed system of linear equations and how to solve it. We have discussed one method, that was substitution, and the other method was elimination. So I hope now it is clear how to solve system of linear equations. So you may have one equation, you may have two equation, you may have three equation. Now you know the methods how to solve these equations. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much.